Okay, this will be a quick walk around of a KR2S 886 Mike Juliet. I'm the new owner and making changes. So I'll show you what I've done and some of the things I'm in the process of doing. And we'll start in the cockpit here. So it has a new electrical panel there in the middle, lift reserve gauge. On the left wing is the sensor. I've got some new master switches, an avionics master and an engine master. I've got a ram air system, so that knob there is for ram air. I've got dual O2 sensors. That's that right there, and then we have a dimmer for the new LED lights, and this up here is a it pulls about 5 or 6 amps. It's a defroster. It's called the Fairview. Just plugs in the outlet. And then down here on the fuel line, I've got a fuel pressure sensor that trips this low pressure light right there at 2 psi. So I check that during my run up, flip the pump off and wait for that light to come on. Also have a generator fail light that comes from the voltage regulator for the John Deere generator. So we'll flip some lights on here. Strobes, nav, cockpit light. There's the cockpit light. That's on the dimmer. Throws out a lot of light. So then over here, I don't have this marked, but that's the new wigwag beacons. I'll turn off the cockpit lights. Alright, you can see the low pressure is flashing. Of course, we got dual sticks, toe brakes. You can't really see that. So coming outside, it's got a new paint job. It's gray, blue on the front. Of course, the World War II invasion stripes. This wigwag beacon system, I don't think I spent $40 on the whole thing. It's pretty impressive. Little wigwag module and some LED 1156 bulbs. So let's see. I can't show you in the tail, but there's a ham radio antenna that I added inside an inspection plate. So there's a radio antenna up there for my APRS or automatic position or automatic packet reporting system. Let's see, going out the right wing, we got nav lights and strobe. That's my own design. Those are actually Volkswagen turn signal lenses. I'll turn on the landing lights. You got to see those things. They're amazing. 12 gallons of fuel in each tank. I burn actually mostly auto gas now. Previous owner burned 100 low lead. I also added this baggage compartment. I keep about 20 pounds of ballast up there for CG. I keep an extra generator, voltage regulator, spark plugs, tools, all in a box in there. The engine is a Corvair, 100 horsepower. PC680 battery. Currently has a Sensenich wooden prop on it, 54 by 54, but it's any day now. I'm going to install my new warp drive 60-inch prop, and that should make a difference, I hope. I've got ram air. I don't have the ram air open, but that goes directly into an Ellison EFS 3A throttle body injector, and this is my filtered air. And there's a valve. When I shut off the ram air, it has to pull from filtered. When I open it, there's so much ram air, the filter doesn't have any effect. The wheels, I'm getting ready to put new wheels and brakes on it. It's going to get Cleveland brakes. Now a little bit larger wheels. Here's the, this is a homemade probe for the AOA or lift reserve system. Pitot and static sensors, strobe on the wingtip. Now I'll turn on those landing lights. These have 3 modes: high beam, low beam, and flash. So once, twice, that's low, and then flash. And these things are incredible. I think they cost about $16 each or $14 each. I got one there, and I got one over there. And if you can't see me coming with the beacons and the strobes and the flashing landing lights, well, you're not looking. Because I am going to be seen one way or another. On the bottom we have a speed brake, a standard belly board. Actually, on these big long runways like we have here at Freeport, Illinois, I found I prefer to not even use the speed brake on a 5,000 foot runway. So that's about it. That's just a quick walk around. Oh, I've got my ADS-B in Stratix back there. I have a couple of these RAM mounts around the airplane, so I have a tablet that I can clamp pretty much anywhere inside the cockpit and monitor or do my navigation for me. So that's about it. That's the walk around of 886 Mike Juliet.